Hi, are you looking for 3 tips to help you in your next interview? Well, in this video, I am going to do exactly that. So if that's something you're interested in, please do join in. Hi, my name is Sabrina Phillips. I am a mental health nurse and currently working as an interim director with the NHS and other partners. On this channel, I talk about nurse career advice and give some simple lock hairstyles and budget travel. So if that's something that you're interested in, please do subscribe and let's get into this. So my first tip is when you do get shortlisted for that job, or even before you get shortlisted, is do your research. What you want to do is find out about where you're applying for, so whether that is a ward, community team, GP surgery, wherever that nursing job is, you want to have a little look at that place that you're working on and that you'd like to go and work in. And when I say research, I'm talking about have a look at the organisation. And one of the quickest way to do that is to have a look on the organisation's website and look at their board papers. And what that would give you is an idea of the direction of travel. It gives you an idea about their quality, about the finances, but also the vision from the CEO and chair for that organisation. The other thing I suggest as well is that you book in some time to speak to your prospective manager in that role that you've applied to, and what you're doing is finding out if there are any challenges, what are the next steps in that space, but also you sort of get a feel of the person that could potentially be your manager. And you know, when we can visit places, I would also suggest that you do a visit as well, because then you can see where it is, because it's really important to know where you're going to work. Meet some of the staff. It's important to know who you're going to work with. That's my first step. Do your research. Second tip is I think that you should have an idea of some examples that you would like to speak of when you have that interview. So I always suggest looking at the job description, having a reread of your personal statement, because within that is the evidence of the reasons why you were shortlisted. But also on the job description, it gives an idea of areas that might be part of the interview process, and it's usually indicated by the letter I or application if there's a presentation. And also in your personal statement, you would have given examples of where you have done certain things in your role and achieved things. Third tip I've got for you is have some sort of method of answering questions. You're going to get 2 different types of questions. So one is going to be behavioural, so things such as tell me a time when. And also there would be some questions that are looking at your values. If you're applying for a job in the NHS, value-based questioning or interviews are quite up there at the moment. So that's thinking about your own values, the organisational values, and how those go together. But mostly those questions are looking at how you've behaved and why you've done something in a particular situation. So a question could be is tell me a situation where you worked as part of a team. One of the techniques that's tried and tested, but it's called the STAR technique, and that stands for situation, task, action and results. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do make some comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's be bold and brave.